Imagine that you are part of a long standing and accomplished organization. You begin to track customer satisfaction and notice that customer satisfaction is declining quickly. You see many complaints about quality issues on one line in particular. As a result, you begin to change some of the tooling that is being used. Little by little, you see that the complaints are declining, and in fact, customer satisfaction is improving. While this is a very exaggerated example, what you have just done is use the PDCA or Plan, Do, Check, and Act cycle to improve customer satisfaction. What is PDCA? PDCA, or Plan, Do, Check, Act, is a four-step method used in Lean, quality improvements, and other continuous improvement strategies. Let's look briefly at each of the stages of PDCA. In the first stage, Plan, a plan is based on historical background data and root cause analysis is formed. This plan is designated to invoke or affect change in a positive way. In this stage, it is very important that the gap between the current and future state is defined. You must understand the issues you are dealing with and have some way to measure your success. In the second stage of PDCA, Do, the plan is carried out. This is generally a small-scale pilot or initial test run of the plan. As the plan is carried out, data is collected so that the change can be monitored. As you collect data, be sure to document any potential issues that may need to be addressed before your plan is fully implemented. The third stage of PDCA is the check stage. Here, the outcome of your plan is analyzed or studied, as it is often referred to in PDCA. This stage looks to confirm that the new process works so that it can be implemented on a much larger scale. In addition, the check stage pivots or looks to modify the outcome of the Do stage prior to any larger implementations. The fourth stage, or fourth step, is Act, which is focused on adjusting the Do based on lessons learned in the check stage. If no major adjustments are needed, then full-scale implementation can occur. New procedures can be standardized, and planning for any additional issues is conducted. Of course, after this phase, the cycle returns to the plan phase for more continuous improvement. You may hear the PDCA cycle referred to as the Schuhart cycle because Walter A. Schuhart discussed the concept in his book, Statistical Method from the Viewpoint of Quality Control. Similar to a circle, the PDCA process or method has no end. It is repeated time and time again. This cyclical process is particularly valuable when organizations are looking to implement major strategic initiatives and avoid wasting valuable resources on ineffective plans. With that said, you will find that at the heart of almost all problem solving in any form of continuous improvement is PDCA.